Good afternoon, students. How are you all? I know all are very good. So, now today we are going to continue our sample paper. In sample paper yesterday we have done MCQs and fill-ups. So, today we are going to solve the next question that is state true or false, right? So, here is your first question for true and false. Riding a bicycle causes air pollution. Can a bicycle cause air pollution? Never. Bicycle cannot be a cause of air pollution because it is good for health, it is good for environment. So this answer became false. This statement is false. Now the next one. Smoke from factories make the air fresh. Smoke from the factories makes the air fresh. जो smoke होता है फैक्ट्री से, जो smoke emitted by the factories, that can make air fresh? No, but it is cause of air pollution. So that's why this answer became false. So both the answer first and second are false. Now the third one. We cannot live without water. Can we live? No, we cannot. We cannot live without water. Just because of air and water, the life is possible on the earth. These are the two essential factor of life. So we cannot live without water. So the answer, this statement became true. Got it? Fourth, Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean of the earth. This statement is also true. Among 5, Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean and Pacific is the largest ocean. Did you remember chapter number 2, Planet Earth? In that we have learned smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean and largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. So here your answer is true for Arctic Ocean. Now the next one. Stars don't have their own light. Stars के पास अपना light नहीं होता है. They don't have. So this don't is making this statement false because stars have their own light. So that's why your answer number 5 became false. Done? Okay, now let's move to the next one, that is match the following. In match the following, what you can do? You can draw the lines from A to B or you can write the correct answer in front of that. But I have written the option number, which one is right over here, like top and bottom of the earth. Earth का जो top और bottom part है, what we call that? We called it poles. Like top part is North Pole and bottom part is South Pole. So that's why this first one will go with 5th, poles. Then the second, living beings breathe in. जो living beings हैं that breathe in oxygen. Living beings breathe in oxygen. अब यहाँ पर एक डाउट आ जाता है कि लिविंग थिंग्स में तो हम प्लांट्स को भी काउंट करते और प्लांट्स तो ऑक्सीजन नहीं लेते. प्लांट्स तो ब्रीदिंग क्या करते हैं? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. देन व्हाई वी आर राइटिंग हियर ऑक्सीजन? Because here it is not written living things. Here it is written living beings. And living beings and things, different thing. Living beings, that's why it is oxygen. Clear? Means animals and humans. So that's why here we have written oxygen. Now the third one, huge water bodies on earth. Water bodies, जो water bodies हैं huge, that are called oceans, right? So third answer will go with 4th. Now the next one, smallest continent. Smallest continent, which one is? Australia. Australia is the smallest and largest is Asia. Very good. Largest is Asia. So your 4th answer will go with 2nd. Now the 5th one, smallest ocean. So smallest ocean is, just in true and false we have done Arctic Ocean. Smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean. So last one will go with first. So all clear? These match the columns have done. Now let's move to the defines. Now here are our defines. In defines, the first is continents. What is continents? So continents you can define like this. Continents, the huge land masses on the surface of the earth are called continents. Clear? Now whenever the defines is asking, then we need to frame a complete sentence. In continents, you could also write huge land masses. That will be the answer. But here the question is for completely 2 marks, 2.5. So that's why we need to give a proper definition with complete statement. We cannot write only few words like continents, huge land masses. The thing is okay, the meaning is okay, but for exam purpose we need to write proper statement. So that's why we have written here, the huge land masses on the surface of the earth are called continents. Here you can write the example also, like Asia, ऑस्ट्रेलिया एक स्मॉलेस्ट और एक बिगेस्ट, हम ऐसा लिख देते हैं, ठीक है. तो लाइक दिस वी कैन राइट दिस, एशिया, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, etc. Okay, so this is how you can write it. Then the next one was precipitation. Your next define was precipitation. So precipitation you can write from here. Precipitation is a term used mainly for rain. Precipitation को हम क्या कहते हैं? Rain. जो rain है actually उसके लिए ये word use होता है precipitation. So precipitation is a term used mainly for rain, but along with rain it is also used for hail and snow. Okay, it is used for hail and snow. So that one you are defined. So defines are completed. Now let's move to the very short question answers. In very short question answers, your first question is, which is the smallest planet in the solar system? तो जो smallest planet है solar system का वो कौन सा है? Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet. So answer number 1 we have written here, Mercury. Okay. Answer number 1, smallest planet, Mercury. Then the second is, which is the hottest planet? Hottest planet is Venus. Though Mercury is the closest, but still Mercury is not, but Venus is the hottest planet. Okay. Now the third one. The third one was, why do we need air? Why do we need air? We need air to live. We need air to live. So that is we have written here, we need air to live, because it is only one sentence answer or it is a 1 mark answer. So that's why we need to write the answer only in one word or one statement. Got it? So that's why we have written we need air to live. In the same way, like for water, if the question could come, why do we need water? Then we need water to live. That is sufficient for 1 mark. But if it comes under the category of 2 marks or 3 marks, then you need to write the other uses as well. Clear? Okay, now let's move to the fourth one. Write any one reason of air pollution. Any one. There are many causes of air pollution. We need to write only one. So for one we can write the major one, which is smoke from factories. Smoke emitted from factories. Smoke emitted from factories causes air pollution, or you can only write smoke from factories causes air pollution. Done. Now the next one, that is fifth one. Write any one use of water besides drinking. Question is asking uses. As I told you कि suppose water, why do we need water question होता है, तो why do we need is also the same thing, uses. We need to tell the uses. तो अब आप अगर वो question 2 या 3 में आएगा then you will write many, but here it is for 1 mark and question itself is asking only one use additional, right, besides of drinking. So that's why we need to write the answer only for one. So here we have written water is used to generate electricity. Got it? Water is used to generate electricity. Done. So one use we have written here. So these are your very short question answers. Now what left? Now short answers are left, means 2 marks answer. Then long answers are left, that are 3 marks answer, and then hots are left. So these 3 questions we are going to do on tomorrow. So for today you need to complete true false, match the column, defines and very short answers. Done. So that much for the day. Stay happy, stay healthy. God bless. Bye bye.